Hello everyone, welcome to second part of TCS registration process. Now we'll be trying the second link and try to register on that as well, which is nextstep.tcs.com. So when you open this website, you will be facing an interface like this. Just click on register now. And now you all are trying to apply for an IT job. So click on IT. After that, it will ask you to enter a couple of informations. So your first name, middle name, if you don't want to enter, you can skip. But first name and surname are compulsory. Date of birth, again I will be using a dummy date of birth since over here I may face some age restrictions. Gender, automatically it will identify. Mail ID, again I will be using the one which I have used in previous process. Mobile number also, I will be entering the same mobile number. Institute name, you can enter your institute name over here. And over here also, if you enter our college's name, which is RISB, you will be able to see two colleges, which is RISB Academy of Management. You will not enter that. Dr. RISB College of Engineering, which is in Kaushambi, you will not enter that as well. Alright. So again, we will be entering others. And qualification, I will set it as Bachelor of Engineering. Year of passing, again for the current batch, it will be 2021. Nearest test location, I'll be entering as Mumbai itself. Enter password. Again, make sure that you include uppercase, lowercase, a number and a special character. So just a second. Alright. One security question you can say. So what is my nationality? Basically it will be used to recover your password if you lose it. Enter the captcha. Okay, it is not I, it is I guess 1. Yes. Submit. Confirm. Okay. Please note your reference ID, and now this is your DT number. Again, make sure that you make a note of this number. Again, this number will be available on your email as well. And continue. Enter your password which you just entered in the previous state. And over here you have to click on application form. Okay. So now it will be asking you all your personal details, academic details and other details. So let us start filling this form. So again, father's name it is asking. So enter your father's name. Again, middle name and last name is not important, but if you fill, then it will make no issue. Date of birth, everything is okay. Over here you can fill any details, your home address. So I will just fill our college's address, which is RISB College of Engineering, Bandra. Area and landmark, Pali Hill Road. Country, I'll be selecting as India. State is Maharashtra. It is a manual entry, so make sure spelling of Maharashtra is correct. City will be Mumbai. Pin code of our college, which is 400050. Are you the permanent address? Yes, let us take permanent address. Save and continue. Alright. Now it will be asking my academic details. So institute name I have entered as others. So now over here, let us enter our college name, which is RISB College of Engineering. Save and continue. Okay, now it is asking me if my course is full-time or part-time. So let me just enter. If I am passing from 2021, then I have to take admission in 2017. So let us say I took admission in August 2017 or 2nd August. Remember, this date need not be accurate. only the month and year should be accurate. So let us say I will be passing out in 2021 May, and date I can set it as, let's say, 3rd May. Again, remember, date is not relevant, only the month and year is relevant. University or institute is okay, it will be fixed, you will not be able to change this now. If you want to change this, then again go to instruction and all. Specialization, again it is asking me specialization, so since my specialization is electronics and telecom, I will directly search for it. Why is it showing me everything in Spanish? Okay, electronics and communication. Yeah, electronics and communication engineering. Okay, grading system, CGPA. So let us say, again I am entering a dummy CGPA. So let us say I am someone who have got 8.5 CGPA obtained. Total CGPA is 10. Okay, an equivalent percentage. Now you might have received one percentage formula for conversion of your CGPA marks into your percentage. So I guess 8.5 should roughly come around 80%. I'm not sure about it, but remember to use the formula. Okay, save and continue. Percentage value with 2 digit after the decimal point. Okay, so let us say 80.05 and continue. Okay, now it is continuing. So please select a relevant course. 12th grade, if you are a diploma student, then you will be selecting equivalent diploma. Or if you have someone who have done both your 12th and after that you have done your diploma, then you can select both. So I will be selecting 12th grade. In specialization, I will be typing science, since my 11th and 12th was science. University or institute. The institute from where you did your 11th and 12th, mine was Mitibai, so I will just type Mitibai over here. Mitibai Junior College of Science and Commerce. Okay, Mitibai Junior College. Board of Education, mine was Maharashtra Board or State Board over here. Okay, course duration. Now remember 2017, if I am entering, then my course duration had to start in 2015. Again, month is relevant, date is irrelevant. Okay, so I passed out in 2017. After that I joined my engineering. So let us say I passed out in April. Again, it may vary from your college to college, but you can check on your report card. I had obtained marks in that. So remember, total marks obtained, total marks out of which your exam was held, and your total percentage it will calculate on its own. And I will save on continue. Please mention the course duration only for class 12. Alright, remember over here you have to mention your duration only for class 12. Okay, and you have completed your class 12 in 1 year. Alright, so 2016, I will be selecting July and from Friday. Okay, now it has accepted. Okay, now SSC class 10 roll number, that roll number will be printed on your sheet. So I guess it is a 6-digit number. Institute, again enter the name of your school. Your board, mine was State Board. Course duration. Okay, again enter your SSC's course duration, so it will be from 2014 to 2016. Understand that this process will take some time, so be patient. Total marks obtained, let's say I enter 550. Total marks, let's say I enter I don't know, maybe 650, and it will be calculating my percentage. Okay, have you done any other course? So if you have done any other course, then you can specify your course name, specialization and all. For example, I had published one paper or attended one uh, course on Moodle. So you can type in that course, or maybe you have done some extracurricular course, Python course, which are regularly introduced by our college. If no, then simply click on no and save on continue. Do you have relevant work experience? Okay, for students those who are passing in 2021, I'm assuming that majority of you will not be having any work experience. So just click on no and continue. Declaration, do you have any break in studies? If you have any break in studies, then mention clearly yes. Have you done any other course? Let us see. So now over here you will be uh, asked to enter how much duration and what was the reason for your break. Okay. So since I did not have any break in my engineering, have you done any other course? Okay. If you have done any other course, then simply press on yes. Do you have any pending backlog currently? So students, if you have any backlog, understand that TCS is allowed for one live KT. So if you have any further backlog, press on 1 and enter the number of backlogs. I do not have any backlog, so I will be pressing on no. Understand, read all the declarations very carefully. You have taken all the subject marks into consideration for calculating obtained total marks CGPA in above mentioned academic qualification. Obviously, yes. Marks CGPA obtained entered by you for each of the above mentioned academic qualification has been secured in the first attempt. Understand, इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आपको केटी लगी है कोई एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट में तो आपको मार्कशीट नहीं मिलेगा. जब भी आप वो केटी क्लियर करोगे तब जाके आपकी एक फ्रेश मार्कशीट बनती है एंड आपको उसका सीजीपीए एंटर करना है. ऑलराइट, तो फर्स्ट ईयर से लेकर अब तक अगर आपको एक भी केटी लगी है तो फिर आप इसमें यस पर क्लिक नहीं करोगे, आपको नो पर क्लिक करना है इसके अंदर. ऑलराइट, सो सिंस आई एम अज्यूमिंग के फर्स्ट ईयर से लेकर अब तक फाइनल ईयर तक मुझे एक भी केटी नहीं लगी है, then and only then I will be clicking on yes. Okay, you have considered only marks CGPA obtained during normal duration of the course, calculating obviously yes. You have completed each of the above mentioned academic courses in the stipulated time as specified by university institute and as per TCSL selection guidelines that do not have any extended education. Understand what do we mean by this? एक साल खत्म करने में एक इंजीनियरिंग ईयर, फॉर एग्जांपल आपका अगर फर्स्ट ईयर है तो उसको आपने कितने ड्यूरेशन में खत्म किया. यूनिवर्सिटी और कॉलेज दोनों बोलता है कि आप उसको एक ही ईयर में कंप्लीट करो, बट अगर आपको एक साल से ज़्यादा लगा है तो आप इसके अंदर नो क्लिक करोगे. बट सिंस मैंने उसको एक साल में खत्म कर दिया, मैं यहाँ पर एक कर रहा हूँ. You have declared break in studies or work experience and pending backlogs, if any, during your academics. No. Okay, I do not have any backlogs. अगर आपको कोई बैकलॉग है या फिर अगर आपको ड्रॉप लगा है तो फिर आप यहाँ पे येस पे क्लिक करो. यू हैव नॉट अटेंडेड TCSL सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस इन द लास्ट 6 months. अंडरस्टैंड कि जब भी आप लोग एक कंपनी के लिए अप्लाई करोगे और वो कंपनी आपको रिजेक्ट करती है तो फिर आप 6 months मिनिमम तक उस कंपनी में वापस अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. ये जो प्रोसेस होता है ये काफ़ी सारी मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज अपने अंदर इम्प्लीमेंट करती है ताकि वो कंफ्यूजन ना हो उन्हें और उनका टाइम वेस्ट ना हो इस प्रोसेस को वापस से आपके लिए कैरी फॉरवर्ड करने के लिए. ओके, सो हैव यू अटेंडेड? यू हैव नॉट अटेंडेड? यस, आई हैव नॉट अटेंडेड. ऑलराइट, you have read TCS eligibility criteria? Yes, I have, and I agree to all your conditions. Save and continue. Okay, I guess this is the final step. I'll be selecting my nationality. Language is known, you can add any language. For example, I am fluent in English, so read, write, and it is not my mother tongue. Add a new. You can add Hindi over here and read, write, speak, and yes, it is your mother tongue. Does not make any difference. They are just trying to find out if you have any uh, special language knowledge, so that whenever they send you outside on some project you will be able to visit or not. For example, one of my friend, he was very much fluent in German. So after 1 year of experience, they send it to Germany on a project. Okay, so it depends whether you know any language or not. आपके पास कोई सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है इसका, ठीक है, कोई भी सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है. सेव एंड कंटिन्यू. ओके, achievements, do you have any achievements? Then you can add over here. I will just add XYZ over here. If you have any achievements, then you can add your achievements over here. Smart card details. Now understand this smart card details. There are some instructions over here. Smart card is your TCS identity card which will be handed over to you once you join the company. Kindly follow the mentioned steps and upload your photograph. Upload your recent photograph. Dimensions उसके इन्होंने दिए है, maximum 500 KB का होना चाहिए. Photograph must be formal with white or off-white background. You should look straight in the camera. ये सब इन्होंने दिया है यहाँ पर. नेम कौन सा इन लोग को प्रिंट करना है. सो इट इज़ जस्ट अ नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर कि आपका आईडी कार्ड कौन से नाम पे प्रिंट होना चाहिए. ओके, just add my photos and yes, over here you have to upload your CV. So for now I'm just uploading a random document. I don't want my CV to be uploaded. You have to upload your CV. So let us just upload a random document over here and I will save and continue. Alright, so you can preview your application form over here. Are you involved in pending or closed civil or criminal cases? I am hoping that you are not. You will click on no. Are you involved in pending or disciplinary malpractices? Again click on no. If you want to see your application again, then you can see over here. Have you appeared for TCS interviews earlier? Again you will click on no. TCS conditions you will agree. Place you can keep it as Mumbai. And finally you will submit your application form. Yes, I would like to apply for TCS Drive. Okay, and simply you will enter your NQT registration number over here. Alright, so NQT registration number is the one which you have just got on your mail. So let me just go on my mail and show you how the mail from TCS will look like. So this is how my NQT number will look like. I will just select this NQT number from here and I will paste it over here. Okay. So this 2010 450 718. Let me see. Okay, it is allowing me to paste and I will click on apply. Please select nearest TCS office. Okay, so I will be selecting Mumbai over here. Okay, and apply. You have applied for the recruitment drive. Alright, so this is how you will finish your both the application form of your TCS NQT test and also for the TCS company which is going to be coming in this month. I hope the video was clear. If you have any doubt, then you know where to reach me.